people with their families, people running, people cycling, people going in their scooters. It's one of the best bike paths in the world. I did see a guy fall down right now. I'm sorry I could not get that. I think my girlfriend's ass is paining. Yeah. She can't do biking with shorts. I mean, she could do so much because it was an e-bike, and that is the only reason.
Oh, thank you.
Well, this is one of the best weekends to come to LA. I just warmed up. I didn't have a chance to take a dip in the pool, in the beach, but that's fine. I mean, I can try that tomorrow. Okay. That was Idiot 101. Coming right into me. That's fine. That kid is pretty fast for his age and strong. Good that I could beat him. Yeah. Check out this. People trying different gymnastic stuff. I think I'll be able to swing. Not this one. I was talking about that one with the kids. So definitely not this one. How did that kid get on top, man? That's pretty cool.
Right.
Do you want to swing? She asked me if I could push her on the swing. That's pretty much what I do after 2014. That's the year I met her. I see your companion. People trying the bird for the first time. You know what? It was difficult for me too. Like, I did not get it the first time, especially with my girlfriend behind me trying to pull me down. But once you get a hang of it, it's really awesome. "22 minutes in, and I think we have done around 4 miles. I'm not sure. You want to go straight? These are the, I think these are like the roads to the hotel. With the parking open, I gotta be safe. I don't want to like hit someone. You just want to like cross into the beach excited. I did a bike bird in this road, and I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of bumps, so it's like not the best road to do the bird. And there's a cute little angel. There's another brand of green bike called the Breeze. I'm not sure if they're as good as the Lime bike. I mean, I love the Lime bike now since it's all electric. They use the concept of the Copenhagen wheel, where you just like push your pedal once and you get the power. Those are some sweet houses. I think that's for sale. That's a really sweet design. I saw a house which was more the one which is more like the one which we find in India. I mean, I cannot spot it right now. It was somewhere close, but yeah, there it is. Do you see the one with the hole right on top? That looks just like my grandmom's house. As you can see, there are a lot of volleyball fields. Hey! So that's someone waving to the camera. She was hot. I think this is where we parked our car.
That's so weird. The fuck you looking at, bitch?
I know someone is going crazy, man. Yeah, we parked somewhere here close. this is where we parked our bike. I mean our car.
Okay, so let's just put the bike to the
Side, is it?
yeah.
I'm trying to find a place where I can park the bike without. Yeah, this seems to be a good spot. I don't want to be on the way. And here we come to the end of the video blog. Do you want to do the end of the stretch or no? You're good, right? And that's my girlfriend braking. Say bye to the video. Bye.